Hello. For this screencast, we were supposed to pick an OER, and I picked Pixabay. So first, you're gonna have to search Pixabay, and it comes up. So then just press enter, and it'll give you the website right away. So this is the layout, and this is just the home, so you can search, and there's like a whole bunch of pictures and stuff. And then there's photos. If you're looking for a certain photo, you can go here. If you're looking for illustrations, um, there's vectors. There's videos, like little clips that you can put in here. There's music that you can put in. You can just search whatever you're looking for. There's also sound effects, so if you're like going over animals or like something like that, or you want just music in the background, you can do that. There's also GIFs, which is basically just like little pictures that move or like have something to them usually. And then so for this one, I chose to do the colors of the rainbow because I will be teaching um, preschool to kindergarten. So what I would do is I'm gonna go to photos because that's gonna be easier for this. And then first, I'm just gonna search the rainbow if I can get a good one. Like this one, you can kind of see all the colors, but like here, this is the flag, but it's so much easier to see every single color. Like this is just I would accept that. But then I can just take this screen and make it smaller over just this. But I would go over, excuse me, the red is here, and then orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. So just lay out the colors first, and then go back to Pixabay and search just the color red so they can see just red and no other picture so they can learn the color red, like roses are red, so they can like associate things with the color. I don't know why it's not loading. There it goes. But they can associate like roses for red or an apple for red. And then you can do orange. And like oranges are orange, obviously. And then like this picture down here, since it's taking a minute to load, like the flower is orange. Or grapefruit is orange, or this building is orange, just something that they can associate the color orange with, so it'll be easier for them to remember, hopefully. And then I would just continue to do that with all the colors until the end of the rainbow. But I just think this would be so much easier for a visual for children to learn, especially for colors, because there's so many different options of the color, excuse me, of the color yellow here. So it's not just one thing that they're looking at. Like this has squash, this has sky, this has flowers and lights. There's so many different things for kids to look at. And I just think it'll be very helpful for lesson plans in the future.